Do your hips feel tight or stiff when you sit, walk, or even try to stretch? I'm Dr. L, and I've been a doctor of physical therapy for over 18 years. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 exercises that you can do to help improve your hip mobility and decrease hip pain. Most people only stretch their hamstrings, but that's not the full story. Hip tightness usually comes from tight quads, which pull the pelvis into an anterior pelvic tilt, also tight glutes that pull the low back, and tight piriformises, which can cause a sciatic type discomfort or tingling down the leg. When these areas don't move well, you feel stuck. Let's get to the first exercise, the knee to chest stretch. This stretch stretches out the glutes, low back, and posterior hip capsule. Now you don't want to yank your knee to your chest. That irritates the joint. Instead, pull gently, breathe, and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. You should feel a deep, comfortable stretch. To increase this stretch, pull slightly towards the opposite shoulder. This will stretch the lateral aspect of the glutes. Hold each side for 20 to 30 seconds. Next is the side lying quad stretch. Tight quads tilt your pelvis forward and make your hips feel locked. Don't arch your low back. That cheats the stretch and compresses your spine. Instead, stay neutral, grab your ankle, and gently pull your heel towards your glutes. You'll feel this stretch right along the front of your hip. If you want more of a stretch in the hip flexor, then slightly pull your hip back as you stretch. This opens up the front of the hip even more. Now the piriformis stretch, one of the best stretches for hip mobility. This muscle gets tight from sitting and can even cause sciatic type pain, which is basically tingling down your leg, as I mentioned before. Now don't lift your shoulders or twist your torso. Stay relaxed. Pull your leg toward the opposite shoulder until you feel that deep hip stretch. Take slow breaths and hold 20 to 30 seconds. If you want an even deeper stretch, then gently push your knee out as you slowly pull in. This gets deeper into the hip rotation. Now let's put it all together. We'll go through each stretch without stopping for 10 seconds on each side. Do these hip mobility exercises daily, and you'll notice your hip feeling looser, lighter, and more stable within the week. If you want more PT-approved hip and back routines, then hit subscribe. And check out my other videos on hip strength and posture. They work perfectly with this routine.